Alright, so far we know how to store data, retrieve data, accept data, but what if we wanted to manipulate data? And we manipulate data in our algorithms through the use of operators. And there are three types of operators: mathematical operators, relational operators, and logical operators. So mathematical operators, let's say I have, is where we could just add, subtract, or minus. So I have integer sum and I'm going to add two constants. This is known as my expression, the actual operation that's taken place. When I use the equal sign, it assigns the value of the expression to the value. So the value in this case, the variable in this case, is known as the equation. So the expression is on the right hand side of the equal sign and the equation is on the left hand side. So let's say integer product. Product is a variable and I'm going to make it an equation by saying 2 multiplied by 2. So those are my basic mathematical operators. I'm going to take these off and look at how I could compare data using relational operators. Now with operators, the data type of the operator, the operands, must be of the same data type. So when I was adding numbers, I had to have 2 plus 2, both integers. It would, if it's new, once it's numeric, it would work fine. I can't compare 2, or I can't add 2 plus a string like Linda. That wouldn't make any sense. Or it may be possible to add 2 plus character A because a character is represented as an integer. So that may work in some scenarios. Relational operators is where I want to compare data. I have the less than sign, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Now the operands of relational operations, they must be of the same data type. However, the result is logical. So if I say 2 is less than 5, the result of this is logical, and I can actually store this in a variable. A better name might be is less than. So 2 less than 5, that is true. If I was to change this to 2 less than minus 1, then that would be false. And I could use that for logical testing, for testing later on. Sometimes I want to do more complex expressions, and we will learn that in another tutorial.